Hey guys, what's up and welcome to my channel. My name's Chris and today we're at Lowe's and we're going to test out the new Craftsman warranty and see if they honor it and how well or easy it is to do. Let's go check it out. Alright guys, so I went through some of my sockets and we found a donor socket here. This is a 5/16 quarter-inch drive. It's made in the USA. Two issues that it has. It's got chrome chipping off the front, and on the back it has no detents in it. So this sucker slides off every ratchet, every nut driver, and it just is a pain. So we're gonna go warranty swap this.
Not too bad. I was gonna attempt to do a warranty exchange on one of my older Craftsman sockets.
Gotcha.
And just wanted to see how that process works.
So we should be able to just swap it out for you. If you want to go look and see what we have,
Okay.
real quick, if we have the individual, because sometimes we have just like the individual thing.
Sure.
So if you want to look, they're going to be like that front aisle of the tool world right over there, and you see if we have it. If you do, come over here, we'll do process it through for you.
So guys, here is the inside scoop on the returns reference guide for Lowe's employees. There's no receipt required on the Craftsman branded items. So if you bring in an old Craftsman USA, say a single socket that's broken, that has no value to me. So it's to my benefit, even if it is a China branded socket, that I exchange it out. And there again is no receipt or proof of purchase required. They technically don't require a driver's license, and they'll get you the closest like or similar item. And if you have any issues or problems and they can't warranty swap it out, there's a 1-800 number for you to call, and they'll basically drop ship you that like or similar item that they can offer to you at that time. And so let's go pick up that socket, run up to customer service, do our warranty exchange, show you that process. And again, I was pretty impressed with it, and hopefully it'll get better with time.
Alright, so here is the 5/16, and that is the 5/16 that I had.
Looking good. All right, with that, sir, you'll be good to go. Good, you can take that with you, or you can toss it, whatever. Doesn't really matter, but we'll be set.
Really?
Hi.
This is it for tonight?
Are you sure?
Yes.
You sound pretty confident. Okay. This will get the job done. All right. $1.69.
There you are.
Did you want to bake for that?
No thanks.
There's one.
Thank you.
Get your receipt.
Alrighty. Have a good night.
You too.
It's almost time to go home.
Very close.
Have a good one.
Good night.
So overall, for me guys, a really awesome warranty exchange experience that I know will get better with that time. And I had no issues with it. They didn't ask for the driver's license. I have the documentation. I have acronyms in there that I don't even know what they fully mean, but they took care of my hand tools, and that's the most important thing to me, and got me back into a situation that I was working. That socket, I will tell you, has been the bane for probably the last 15 years. It had 0 detents in it. The sucker always slid off my ratchet, and the chrome on the end of it was starting to come off, and I didn't want to cut my hand or finger similar to Yoda Doug, and so that bad boy was my attempt to go back, and hopefully is going to be an example of good fate that I'm going to have the rest of the week. So guys, I would look at some of this literature, and as a backup, call the 1-800 number if you have more questions, or even show the representative, hey, look I don't need a receipt, just exchange it out for the item that I want. Sometimes prodding the people in the right directions gets you the things that you want. The 2 things I ask are just be nice and always ask questions. As always guys, work smarter, not harder. I'll catch you in the next video, and take care with whatever you choose to do.